Hello! In this video, I'll be swapping the display on an HP 15-AY065NR laptop. As you can see, this one has some issues. Putting pressure on the circuit board below the LCD causes all sorts of flickering and fading effects. As with all electronics repair, it is best to disconnect power from the device before taking it apart. So remove the battery and unplug the charger. Next, remove the bezel around the screen. There are no screws in this model, it simply snaps together. I used an old credit card to gently unclip the bezel from the lid. Use your mind, not your muscle, as this is fairly thin, delicate plastic. It may also be helpful to lift from the inside of the bezel if it's being stubborn. Pull the bezel away from the hinges and set it aside. Remove the 4 screws securing the display to the lid. Don't remove the outer set of screws from the frame, just the inside ones holding the display. Gently pivot the display down toward the keyboard. Peel back the adhesive tape holding the cable to the bottom of the display and unplug it. This was the display in my model. It is an AU Optronics B156XTN07.0 HW, I assume hardware, 0A. Use this model number to find a compatible replacement. At first, I sourced mine from a marketplace seller on Amazon, but the display shipped was defective. It had a couple of painfully obvious, bright green dead pixels. Today we'll be installing one I bought from laptopscreens.com. I'm hoping this will turn out better. Plug in the new display, being extremely careful with the driver board on the bottom. It is quite fragile. If I'm not careful, I'll end up with 2 broken screens instead of 1. Stick the adhesive tape back down to keep the display cable falling out once assembled. Pivot the display up, resting it on the lid of the laptop. This is a good time to connect power and test that this new display works before buttoning everything up. Looks like it's a winner. Reinstall the 4 screws in the corners. Peel the protective film off the face of the display. Ah, that's nice. Reinstall the bezel, starting with the hinges and working your way around the edges. Enjoy your newly repaired laptop. Thanks for watching.